today I'll change a little bit of topic. I'll change. Okay, so we will do some puzzles. Okay, so because we have less people, I want to tell you two funny things. One is puzzles, and other thing I'll disclose later. Okay, suppose. Okay, we'll do some puzzles. Okay.
Can you write on the board the puzzles?
Okay, I'll write.
She will.
Suppose Kirtana's age
It's one.
is X. Okay, we have to find out. If you add 30 years to Kirtana's age, you will get her father's age. That is 38. So then what is Kirtana's age? Okay, we'll start from side. Hey, how did you get it?
It's so easy. 8 plus
Yeah.
30 is 38.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. This is called a puzzle. Puzzle is you can represent like this using an equal symbol, right? Whenever there is an equal symbol and there is a something on the left and something on the right, we call it an equation. We call it an equation. Okay, but yeah, what is unknown here? X is unknown. 30 is
No.
known. 38 is
It's also no.
known. Okay, we only don't know the X. Okay, usually to solve this puzzle or solve this equation, what we do is we move all the known things onto one side. We put only the unknown thing on one side. Okay, this plus 30, if you take it this side,
Minus
it
30.
becomes a
Minus 30.
minus 30.
38
Plus,
minus
if you take to the other side, it becomes minus. Plus, if you take to the other side, it becomes minus. Minus, if you take to the other side, it becomes plus. Okay, it's like this. So, yeah, Sai is my friend. He's on my side. If he goes to the other side, he's my enemy. So he's on the other side. Okay, do you understand? He's plus. Now, okay, he moves on the other side, he becomes minus. Okay, tomorrow morning, again he comes back to my side. Then he's again friend for me. That is plus. Understand? Like this, very simple.
This side.
Okay, so you
Can
plus.
you give us a harder one?
Yeah. We'll go step by step. So plus 30, if it goes to that side, it becomes on this side. What is remaining? Only X is remaining. This plus 30 goes here. Okay, 38 is stays there. What comes here? Plus 30 comes
Minus 30.
minus 30. Okay, then we can write X equal to 38 minus 30 is
8.
8. Is this the same answer you told? But I'm just telling you. I'm telling you in a step by step. You understood this?
So boring.
Do you understand this? Yeah, I know. This is so simple for
It's
you.
so simple. Give a
This is called
harder
a one-step puzzle.
Ah.
Okay? You just
Well,
have
it
to
seems
move.
like there are-
You just have to move. How many things did you move from one side to the other side?
One.
Only one thing. So that's why it's called a one-step puzzle.
Give a harder puzzle.
Okay, I can give you a little bit harder. Who's next? Okay, which go? Okay, we'll go this way. Okay, Selvi, you ready?
Yes.
Ready? Okay, now a little tough one. X minus 19 is 44.
Easy peasy.
X is your
63.
63. Is she right?
Yep.
Okay, she's right. So this is okay. Again, same thing. Minus 19.
Don't tell
We
them.
want to take it to other side. It becomes a
Plus.
plus 90. Do I need to write it?
No.
Anybody needs me to write? Yeah. Okay, he needs me to write. That's good. So X equal to this minus 19. This goes. It becomes 44. Stays there. Minus 19 becomes
Plus
19, and then this is the only one step we have. Now we have the answer. This is the question, this is the step, and this is the answer. You got it? X is how much?
63.
This is how to solve the puzzle, one step puzzles. You got it? It's very easy.
It seems like a two-step puzzle.
Yeah, question, answer, and one step.
No, but then you have to add them. That is also one step.
Yeah.
And then you're like only one step. It's a two-step puzzle.
Yeah. Okay. So you just you can 44 plus 19. I just wanted you to in mind. Okay. Next, Kirtana, you ready?
Your hardest one.
Oh my God, this is a little tough, but I'll try. Kirtana, ready?
1 plus 1.
X plus 123 is 1000.
Goodness me. Minus 1. Shush.
Hey, she can do it.
Go.
She loves puzzles. I know.
I love the puzzle.
Okay. So what is X now, Kirtana? Step by step. What is X? procedure. What is the step? What is the step?
Take the 123 to that side.
Okay, then what is on this?
What?
What?
Oh, yeah, there. It's going to be 1000.
1000 and then
Minus.
minus
123.
123. What is the answer? You can say right away. What is the rule?
Ugh.
What is the rule when you are subtracting something from something, all zeros?
Oh no!
The answer now right away comes from as.
Wait!
You want to pass?
877.
Yeah, 877. Right. Okay. All from 9?
Last one.
Did you use that? Okay.
I don't think I couldn't do it, but instead I kept the 1000 like that because the 1000 was above, and then I minus it like
Hey,
straight to
Krishna, you are ready? Next.
1.
X minus 3.5 is 4.5.
Goodness. X minus 3.5 is 4.5. 8. No, 7. 8.
Okay.
7. No, 8. 8.
Answer is
8.
8. We have to add these distance or not? What is 3.5 plus 4.5?
8.
3 plus 4?
I got it.
Half plus half? 1 total.
8.
Okay. Next, who is it? Monet, yeah. Okay. Oh my god, this is a tough. I don't know why. I gave Monet all the tough things. 5x equal to 35. So Monet ate X cakes every day. For 5 days she ate. Okay, what is 5x? 5 plus x or 5 minus x or 5 multiply x?
I know what
If there is nothing here, that means it's a multiplication, okay? Right? Monet, you understood? It's a
multiplication.
5 and x, there is nothing here.
It's so easy.
That means it's a multiplication. So Monet ate x cakes per day. For how many days? 5 days, and she totally consumed how many cakes? 35 cakes. That means how many cakes did she eat every day?
7. Wow.
Is she right?
Yes.
Sai, is she right?
Yes.
7 she said. Okay, that means what happened here? Again same thing we want. We want x onto the other side. Okay, this is in multiplication.
I know what the step is.
Yeah, this is in multiplication. You want to take it away, right? It becomes,
35 division.
it becomes a division.
35 divided
Divide by 5, right? All of you understood? So the answer is
7.
x equal to 7. Okay. Did everyone understand this?
Yeah.
Okay. This is so easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I also know one more way
Hey.
to do it.
It's okay.
Can you just tell it fast?
Yeah.
Just a one step.
Yeah.
5 times what equals to 35?
Yeah, that's all. Okay, one step big questions are easy. Sai, you understood, right? Okay, who is next?
Me?
You. Okay, good. Oh my god. I don't know why I gave it tough. 2.5 times x equal to 10. Yeah, I'll do it.
Do this.
No, wait. Every day, Sai ate 2.5 cakes for so many days, for some number of days, and totally how many cakes he ate? 10 cakes. So, how many days he took to finish 10 cakes?
4.
He says 4. Is it right?
I think it's 4.5.
Is he right?
2.5 plus 2.5.
Yeah, actually he's right. So first day, day 1, 2.5. Day 2, 2.5. Day 3, 2.5. Day 4, 2.5. Total?
5.
2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. Half and half?
9.
1. That is 9. Mali, again half and half?
10.
Total how much?
10.
So how many days he took to finish 10 cakes?
4.
It took 4 days. Good job. Very nice. X by 4 is 500.
What?
What?
How do we do it?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Oh, it's
2000.
She said 2000. So now this is in what is this? This is a division or multiplication or addition or subtraction? Division, if you take to the other side, it becomes a
multiplication.
multiplication. Multiplication, if you take to the other side, it becomes a
Division.
right. So now the step is x equal to 500 times 4. That is the step. Answer is A. So this ends the one-step equations. Okay, you all know it. You all mastered it right now, all of you. Okay, we'll go to the next equations. Okay, I got it all ready. Okay, now suppose say 2x plus 3 equal to 13. So now this is like this. There are how many total? 13 cakes are there. Okay, 13 cakes are there. So Kirtana will eat every day X number of cakes. But out of 13, 3 cakes are for me. Okay, she can't touch them. Okay, 3 cakes are for me. Okay, remaining cakes, whatever it is, she can eat some number of cakes, but she took 2 days to finish.
I know.
Do you understand? There are how many cakes here?
13.
3 are for the,
Mother.
for the dad or master. And then,
For the teacher.
so she has 2 days to finish the cakes, because otherwise the cakes become
Rotten.
rotten. So every day how many cakes she has to eat?
6, 10, 5.
Hey, who will tell? I can say.
Me.
Sai has to. We'll go one by one.
know the answer.
Maybe I'll ask Kirtana.
I know.
What is your answer?
5. Correct.
What is your answer? So, total number of cakes are 13. 3 cakes are for me. So how many cakes does she actually have to eat?
Well, a person can eat.
Total 13 cakes are there. 3 are for me. So how many cakes does she have to eat? Total. Take your time.
5.
Answer is 5. Okay, you got it. Okay, I'm going step by step. Okay, it's not one step. Okay, it's a
2 steps.
2 step. First step is how many cakes are total? 13. So first take away the cakes dad has to eat. Okay, first take away this part and then take away this part. You understand? All of you understood? It's a 2 step. First step. Okay, what happens? You keep this one. 2x. First remove only this. If you take this to the other side, what it becomes?
Minus
13
Minus 2.
minus 3. This is the first step. Okay? So what is the answer here? This is the okay, this is the answer first. This is the first answer. First answer, what do you call? First step answer, whatever it is. Okay? So now Kirtana has 10 cakes to eat in 2 days. Okay, what is the next step? X equal to this 2 becomes,
10 divided
this is in multiplication. If it
10
this
divided by
goes
2.
here, it becomes a,
division. It
Sai.
becomes a division.
this is in multiplication. If it goes here, it becomes a,
Division.
so its answer is 10,
Divided by 2.
2. Okay, this is the step, okay, this is the step 1. And this is the step 2. So now final answer is,
X equals 5.
you all understood this? I am only explaining this. This is, do I need to do all this stuff?
No.
I don't need to do this. Okay, I want all of you to do it in the mind.
Talked about it.
Okay,
That's
so
all.
hey,
But still,
I don't know, but 5x minus 4
equals to
equal to 36.
easy. 5x minus 4.
Okay, I don't know if Sai can do it or not. I don't want you to write anything. I just want you to see it and tell the answer.
It is so
Hey, you got it. Claps to him. You got it. How did you get it?
Because 530 is
36 minus plus 4 is 40.
That is step 1.
T divided by 5 is 8.
Class again. My God, I was wondering if you will get it or not. Now it's a two-step puzzle. Sai did it right away.
He doesn't get the one step, but he gets the two step.
What? You got one step also. Of course you got it. Okay, next. Selvi, are you ready?
Yes.
Ta-da. Ta-da. Oh my God, this is a little tough, but I will try. X by 7 plus 3 equal to 5.
X divided by 7.
Nobody. Only Selvi.
5. X divided by 7.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time.
This is really hard.
This is really hard.
It will go to minus number. Yeah.
No.
Oh, 14 divided by 7 plus 3 is equal to 5.
The answer is
14.
14. Class to Selvi. Hey. You also got it? Sai? I know you got it.
I got it,
Okay.
I got it.
First you have to take away what?
I got it.
Whatever is in the plus or minus, you have to first
I got
take
it.
away to the other side. Okay? And then this plus 3 goes here. It becomes.
Minus
So the answer is
2.
2. X by 7 is.
X by 7.
Yeah, this is remaining, right? Okay, you take this part here first. This remains first. X by 7 equal to 5 minus 3. That is a
2.
2. That means x by 7 is a. Okay, so I'll write it again. This is this step 1. So the intermediate answer is x by 7 is 2. So final answer is x equal to.
14.
This is in division. It goes here. It becomes a
14.
multiplication. So the answer is x equal to.
14.
She did it in mine. Right or wrong?
Oh,
we got it?
Yes.
Okay, this is important. Okay, this is
Okay.
important. This is important for so many other things. Okay, I want you to follow. Okay, this is good. This is good.
It's my turn. This girl did size
Oh my
size
God.
question.
2x by 3 equal to 4.
Whose turn? Mine.
Who is next? Kirtana.
She did size question. And the size told me to answer it.
Okay. So yeah, it's okay. You will have lots of problems. Okay, do it.
2x easy peasy. 3 by 3 equals to 4.
Yeah.
So it's a times, right?
Yeah. So this is in division. It goes there. It becomes a. Okay, I don't want to tell anything.
Division, multiplication. 12.
Okay, first we have to take away this part, right? So 2x equal to
2x equals to 12.
12. X equal to.
X equals 6.
Hey, that means this is in multiplication. It goes here. It becomes a
Division.
12 divided by 2. That is the answer you got. Hey, x minus 3 by 4 equal to 5.
X minus 3 by 4.
This division is.
I know it.
First, which one you want to take away?
4.
Okay. So x minus 3 equal to.
4 times 4. 20.
And that, how much?
20.
Huh? 20. X equal to 23. Hey, you got it? So why can't you move minus 3 first? Can you move minus 3 first?
Yeah.
Do you think minus 3 we can move first? Okay, you want to try this? Okay.
Different answer. It has a different answer.
Yeah, you can't move minus 3 because this division is for both x and this is together. This is one together, okay? So this is, we are dividing this entire thing into 4 parts. So that's why it is we are not supposed to touch only this part, okay? It's a pair. Finally, you have to deal with this. Do you understand? All of you understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
X by 2 minus 8 equal to 2.
I got the answer.
5.
No.
Okay, what did you do? First step, what did you do? Which one did you take away?
8.
8 you want to take away. Okay, x by 2 will remain here.
Yeah.
Yeah, x by 2 equal to 2 plus 8. How much? Okay, that means x by 2 equal to
10.
10. So x equal to 5.
Yeah, 10 multiplied by.
Yeah. It's a 20. Got it? Sai, you got it? You got it? Okay, good. Got it, sister. X minus 21 by 10 equal to 1.
Really? Wait.
31. Claps to Varshita.
How do I do it? We can't.
Yeah, okay. First, which one you have to take to the other side?
Oh, I thought it was division. What it's supposed to
Yeah.
be.
So first one you have to take which one to the other side?
10.
10 you have to take it to the other side. Okay, other part is
10
remaining
times
here.
1.
X minus 21 equal to 10 times 1 is 10. So x equal to
X equals to 10. No. Oh, 31. Yeah, 31.
31. Okay.
Plus 21 plus 10 equals to 31.
Yeah, we can check if the answer is right or wrong by putting this x into this puzzle. Okay, put x equal to 31. 31 minus 21.
10.
10. 10 by 10.
1.
1. Is it right? We can check if our answer is right.
What
or
does
wrong.
by mean?
By means division. It is just division. Okay?
By.
Okay, that's the end of the two-step puzzles. And finally we have a three-step puzzles. You're all ready?
Yes.
That is going to be extremely tough.
It's extremely easy.
Extremely tough. You're all ready?
Extremely easy.
Who is ready?
Me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Who is ready? Okay, Sai. I again start with Sai. 3x by 5 plus 4
Plus.
equal to 10.
That is not three-step puzzle.
Hey, three-step because we have to take away this one, this one. Okay, there are three things you have to move to other side, right or wrong? Other
You
than
have
x.
to move that.
On the left side we only want on the unknown thing. On the left side we only want x. We want to take away all the other things to
Right.
right side and you get the answer. That's why there are three things here. So it's a three-step puzzle. Sai, try. Do you need help? He doesn't need help. Okay. First, which one you want to take away?
4.
Good. So 3x by 5 equal to how much?
6.
6. That is step 1. Okay. Next, which one you want to take away?
5.
Okay. So 3x equal to
5. What comes? 30.
yeah. You are taking away 5 to the other side.
30.
30. Okay. Then x equal to
15.
3x equal to 30. 3 times x equal to 30. What is x? 10. How did you get it?
30 divided by
30 divided by
3.
3. Because this is multiplication. If it goes here, it becomes a division. So the answer is 10. 3x plus 2 by 4 equal to 8.
X plus 2 by 4.
Hey, all of you, kitna? You also need to check here, okay? We even when
I'm
the
doing it.
Ah, good.
Man.
I'm sorry. What is your answer? Need help? Yeah, okay. First, which one do you want to take away?
2.
Yeah, you can't take away 2 because it's we are dividing this into total term, okay? This is one house. Okay, so this we have to take later. Other than this?
Multiply by 4.
Yeah, so 3x plus 2 equal to
32.
32. Then which one you want to take away?
3x.
Yeah, 3x equal to
Wait, 24.
Okay, this is a plus 2.
Oh, 30.
It becomes here, it becomes a 30, and then x equal to
10.
10. Claps to Selvi. You understand now?
I did 10.
You also got 10. Okay, we'll check if it is right or wrong. Hey, how to tell? Make 10 here.
10 plus 2 divided by 4.
Yeah, 3 times 10.
30.
30 plus 2.
32.
32 by 4.
8.
Oh, she's right.
We can just do 4 times 8 and that's 32. Can you
give me a problem
just like that?
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, now we have. Oh my god, this is the toughest, extremely difficult one. This is probably the final one. How many cakes are in all? 38. How many people are? I should not talk. Okay, first I'll explain you. Okay, in our house there are 4 people, right? We have 4 people. Total, how many cakes are here? Yeah. Okay. So one child will eat X number of cakes. Okay? He will. Okay, per day. For how many days? 3 days. Okay, and one parent will eat 4 cake.
What?
Okay, so times 2 because we have 2 parents and
2 children.
2 children. That's the question. This is the puzzle. If I have to tell you this in words, that's the puzzle I want to give. Okay? So do I need to tell? If I write it here, you need to tell. Okay, this is cakes. This is 2 days. This you have to give to Papa. Do I need to tell that? I don't need to tell that. You just see it. You can do it. Suppose even if somebody tells you a puzzle in the words, okay, you can change it to this equation and solve it. That's what I do.
Of
Do you
course,
understand?
there are no English problems. There
Okay.
are only math problems.
So we just have to, okay, this is how many step equation? One step, 2 step or 3 step?
3.
Because
There's 3 numbers.
there are 3 numbers we have to take away to other side. Okay, first which one we want to take away?
2.
Good. So 3x plus 4 equal to
38 minus 2.
this is multiplication.
Oh, divided by 2.
How much?
38 divided by 2. Just a second.
Hey, no, why are you doing like this?
19.
19. Okay. So 3x plus 4 is 19. So next, which one you want to take away? Next step.
Next step. Okay. So the next step is the 3 times what?
3 times x.
Like in
Which one you want to take away? Take the other side.
Finish. Wait. I just.
This is the only one.
Hmm? Is 5 the answer?
Yeah. So 3x equal to, you take away 4 here, it becomes a minus 4. 19 minus 4 is 15. So
But
x
what
is?
I did was 3. I kept on counting. Like, and then when I reached 15, I added 4 to see if it will add up to 19.
Yeah.
And it did.
Yeah, that you can do that. You can do that way. But yeah, so but for difficult problems, it will take a lot of time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the only thing. You understood now?
It's for simple problems.
Yeah, you understood this procedure?
Yes.
Okay, okay, so that is actually all about the 3-step equation. So I'll just ask one question to each of you and we'll finish this. Okay, who is next? Krishna, are you ready?
No.
Okay, not ready. Okay, who is next?
Me.
Okay, so 3x by 5 minus 4 equal to 5.
Where's the problem? Oh, on the board. I didn't know. Where's the
Just by looking at it, you should be able to get the answer right away. I want you to master this puzzle.
I have to get faster. Come on, faster.
First, which one you want to take away? You have to understand which one you have to take the other side.
Got away. I got it. It came up to be 5 and then 25.
Wrong.
Huh?
First, whatever is first in the minus or plus, you have to take away.
Oh, minus 4. I take away. And then that is
9.
Then 5.
Yeah.
That is 45.
25.
45.
45.
And then 3 divided. No, times. No, 3 divided by 2. 54 divided by 2. And that is... No!
3x by 5 equal to...
I
First,
got the answer.
what is your answer?
15.
Claps. Sai also got the same answer.
Yay, thank you, I got the answer.
You got the answer? Then it's right, 15. Yeah, good. So 3x by 5 equal to
3x by 5.
9. That's 3x equal to 45. X equal to
X equals to 15.
45 divided by 3. That is 15. Okay, good. 3 times 5x minus 2 equals to 54. First, which one you want to move onto that side? First, no. This is one set, okay? This is with one set. You should not touch right away, okay? This we have to touch later. Okay? 3 you have to take it. Yeah. So, 5x minus 2 equal to what is this 3 goes here. It happens. What will be? This is in multiplication or division? Multiplication. So if it goes here, it becomes division. So 54 divided by 3. How much is 54 divided by 3?
18.
Hey, super. This is 18. Super duper. More is super. Yeah, next step is, which one you want to take away? We only want x on this side, right? You have to take away 5 and 2 on the other side. First one, which one you want to take to the other side?
5.
No, you can't take. You only first, whatever is in the plus or minus part, you have to take. Okay, last you have to go for the multiplication and division. Okay, so yeah. Now 5x equal to 20. Super. Now x equal to 4. Clap. Hey, good job. So now hereafter you have to do all these things in mind. Okay, I don't need you should not ask me to write down after this one round is done. Okay, who is next? Ta-da, ta-da. 8 times x plus 3 equals to 64. Hey, Krishna, huh?
5.
Oh my God. He's right. Class. Krishna, you're here?
Easy.
It's easy?
Yeah.
Oh.
It is not a hard one.
Oh my gosh.
5.
Oh my God, I don't have the hard ones here. Okay, next who is next? 3 times 7x minus 3 equals to 33. Two. Oh my God, he's actually showing. Sai is already showing this to his mom. Oh my God. Hey, this is the potential of every child. Yeah, that's why whenever I see Sai, I feel really wonderful. Okay, next. Anybody can tell me the answer. 2 times 4x plus 3 equal to 102. Anybody can tell me the answer. Anybody?
We should do division.
Doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do, you do. I want the answer.
Ah.
Yeah, anybody can say the answer.
12.
Okay, we'll see. What are the other answers? Yeah, I am waiting for Sai. What is your answer?
12.
Okay. Who else got the answer? You got? Yeah, Varshita, did you get the answer? What is your
I'm
answer?
just stuck on the first step.
You are stuck in the first step. Okay, which one you have to take to the other side?
I know 2, but then I'm thinking if we should do the multiplication or the division.
This is in multiplication or division?
4. Division.
this is 2 times or 2 divided? Is this 2 divided by something? I told you. If there is nothing here, it's a times. See, 2x means 2 times x. You know why? If I say okay 2 times x, is it confusing or not?
Yeah, it's like double X.
It's like double x, right? That's why we say we don't use these times. Understand? Okay, now you tell me, all of you. I want all of you to do it. First step is which one we need to take away to the other side? 2. So 4x plus 3 stays equal to
51.
51. 102 divided by 2 is
51.
okay. Next step is which one you need to take away?
3.
3 has to be taken away. So 4x equal to
48. 12.
48. Yeah. The next one is x equal to
12.
48 divided by 4 is 12. Did you understand, all of you now? So that is actually what I wanted to tell in the first part, and then I just wanted to tell you a little bit funny thing. I think I already told to some of you in the previous class. That's why I just wanted to say. Do you all remember the 10-point circle?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Because we have how many digits, unique digits in our number system?
10.
10. Starting from
1,
0,
1,
1. Okay, I'll write them down.
4,
Ta-da, ta-da. We put a 0 here somewhere here, right?
yeah.
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then finally we get, if the next one will be 10, but that actually uses these 2 digits, right? That's not a so unique digit number, right? So, but unique digits or unique
can I
number.
ask you something? Is that a 3 or a 5?
Okay. So fine. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So, hey, Krishna, Kirtana and Mona should not talk. Why do we have 10 unique numbers or 10 unique digits in our system? Why do you think we have 10? Why not put something after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Maybe something, some strange thing.
Light bulb.
Like bulb. Some bulb, whatever it is. Okay. And then we get a 10 or whatever. Why not? Why you have only 10 means, shall I tell you? Hint, this is the hint.
10 fingers.
Yeah, we have 10 fingers.
And I can count easily.
You can count easily. Okay, so on one hand, how many we can count?
5.
That number comes in the middle. Okay,
What about our toes?
total,
We have 20.
here. 10 will be the number we'll get somewhere here, right? Next, this is the number we get. After one round is done, we get a 10, right?
Yeah.
Where is your 10th finger?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There is no, okay. So if we start counting from 0, there is only, this is 9. If we start counting from 1, if this is
10.
okay, you know this, right? Okay. But in some parts of the world, some people don't have 5 fingers. Some people, it seems, they only have 4 fingers on their hand. Hello.
No thumb?
Maybe they don't have thumb or maybe they don't have this finger. I don't know what. In South America, somebody told, it may be wrong. Some people have only 4 fingers on their each hand, and then how many numbers they will have? We'll see, shall we see?
8.
Yeah.
There's 8 on
Then-
8-point circle.
Then it will be a
8-point circle.
but okay, so again we start with a 0
Then 9.
and then 1,
7. 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7-point circle.
What is the next one?
There's a 8.
The 8 will come here. But there is no 8. Oh my god. Because
we started from
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How? There is no 8. There is only 0 to 7. So what is the next number now?
8.
There is no 8. I don't know. There are this many unique digits. What do you call this?
7.0. 8.0. 7.
They call, okay. In our system, what do we call this number as? 10. We call it as 10. So we count from 0 to 9 and then the next number is 10. Okay, we call this as 10. They also call this as 10. Hello, this is 10. Why? Because they have only this many numbers, unique numbers. These are the only unique numbers. If I start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what is the next number will come from? It has to come from 1 and 0. Right or wrong?
Oh.
So this is again a 10-point circle. They call, hey, this is 10. Hello. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Yeah. 16, 17, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
30.
30. Okay, and then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67,
70.
70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77.
80.
There is no 8. It's 100.
Wow.
Hey, he's right. Ram is right. Yeah. After 77, what is the number they have? They have nothing.
We have no 8.
They have no 8. So the next number will be?
100.
There is no 90, there is no 9, there is no 8. So the next number has to be
100.
100. But do you understand now?
That's really less.
That's a little weird, but anyway.
That's really less of a number.
Oh yes, okay. Okay, now.
I don't know why they could keep a 1 after 7. They could keep a 10.
Yeah, you don't understand?
Because they don't need 8 and 9.
Yeah.
They're mad.
Okay, now the puzzle. Suppose some people have only one finger on each hand. There's only one thing. Hello. Now they call this as
10.
10. Hey, hello. I have 10 number of cakes. If they say 10 cake. Actually, what they mean is in our system they are only meaning 2 cakes, but they are called. Hey, hello. I have 10 cakes. Please come home. If you all 10 people go, they will only find how many cakes?
2 cakes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll write it down. So now this is a okay, we call it a
If we only had 2 fingers.
Yeah.
0, 1, 10, 11.
you're close. Okay. Shall I write it here? Ready? Are you all ready? Okay, first one is actually same 0, and then the next one is 1, and that's all.
And no
0, 1, and then you have a 10. Oh my god.
11.
And then you have a
11.
11, and then you have a
100.
you have a 100.
Oh.
This is the language of the computer.
But then how did they know how to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
I'll tell you. Okay, do you understand this?
Yeah.
So now there is something. So now we'll count in our system. We have 10 numbers, right? We call it a decimal system. We call it a okay. In the South American people, this system. How many they have actually unique numbers?
7,
8. They don't know that it is 8, but we call it we know that they have 8 numbers. So this system is called octal.
Octagon.
Octal means 8. This we call it a decimal system. This one we call a binary. Binary means 2.
2.
Okay, this is called a binary system. And then there is one more language, one more set of things.
More than 10.
Yeah, more than
16.
yeah, more than 10. They have 16. Some people use it. 16 number. Okay, you call it again 0. Okay, then if this is 0, this will be
8.
this has to be 8. Okay, so yeah, I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it right?
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you have
9,
9,
10,
10.
11.
Hey, you can't use 10 here. 10 comes here always, right? They call it, they say it's A, and then they say it's a B, and the next one they say it's a C, and then it says D, E, F, and this one they call it a 10. So total in our system, if we count in our system, how many numbers they have?
16.
16 they have. Okay, this is called a hexadecimal system. Hexa means 6.
An extra 6.
Hexa is 6. Decimal means
10.
10.
Extra
This is
6.
10. This is 8. This is 2. Hexa means actually 10 plus 6. 6 plus 10. It's a 16. So computer languages use this system. You all got it? So, but computers can do so many things because there are so many conversion things are available. Anyway, that we'll talk later. You understand now? There are 4 kinds of systems. It's like a language, okay? It's like a language, right? Mathematics. Numbers have a language.
B, C, D, E, F.
Okay. So that's all for today.